In this video, I will show you how to download and install DeepL Translator. If you want to download and install DeepL Translator, watch this video till end. Here I am opening Google Chrome. You can open any browser. After opening Google Chrome, you have to search DeepL Translate download in search bar at the top and then press enter. After pressing enter, here you can find dpltranslate.com. Click translate anytime anywhere with DPL apps. Click this link. When you click this link, you have to scroll down. After scrolling down, here you will find DPL for Windows. Click download option. When you click download button, you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder, then click save, and our DPL file has downloaded. Now it's time to install it. For installing it, go where file is present. Here you can see DPL setup. For installing it, right click on it, then click open. After clicking open, you have to click install, and our DPL is installing. Until we have to wait. This process is running. Here you can see we have downloaded and installed DPL. Its logo is available in our Windows. It means DPL has downloaded halfly. Now you can use it DPL for your purpose. I hope this video help you. If you have any query, ask in comment box and enjoy your DPL software.